Man, it's cold.
Who are you telling? Where the deuce at? Why is he taking so long? I don't even know. And where, you know where he went? Oh, yeah, right.
Jaheen, remember what happened to Nan that night?
Yeah, about the water cooler?
Yeah. What was that ghost-looking thing?
I don't know, but I think, I know from some movie. I just don't know what. I swear I seen it. Dang, dudes weren't right.
Yo, did you hear about what happened to Nan?
No, when that happened.
She disappeared.
How?
One night.
I don't know. One night we go downstairs, try to get her a wine cooler, and like we got scared, ran back up, and she told us that stop being scared, goes down there by herself, and like she screams and she disappears when we go back down there.
What did the ghost look like?
I seen it from some movie. I don't remember though.
I don't know.
Remember that movie we were watching like 2 weeks ago?
What is it called? Scream?
I think so.
Yeah, I saw that movie.
You did?
Yeah.
You remember what he looks like?
Mm-hmm. With the white, he has the all black with white mask.
Yeah.
I never seen him in person though.
I think we do. Me.
Oh, come on, go in. I really miss Nan.
See.
Maybe we'll see her again.
We might find her.
Maybe we should set out and scout her. Look for her.
Should we look for her?
I don't know. Maybe.
Well, she could have disappeared.
I don't know where she could possibly be. Yeah, should we do that?
Why would we do that? When the last time we did that, we almost got killed.
What if we're going? But we have to look for her.
Yeah, but it's our
She could still be alive.
I don't know.
He's right.
So you think we should get it?
Yeah. Look, search the whole house.
I think we should, yeah. I think we should make a plan.
Who's that at this door? What are you doing here?
Louis called me and I heard screaming in the background. You guys alright? I thought it was some prank or something. Like all I heard was screaming in the background.
No. This ghost looking thing like took my room.
Well, what did the ghost look like?
Well, it was off
Can't
the
see it?
screen.
Yeah.
It was off the screen.
With the mask with the black eyes and the long
Yeah.
Yeah.
You saw that last night?
Mhm.
Do you guys know about what time you guys saw it? Because I thought I saw something strange when I came by earlier. Because
It was like 7:30 probably.
at the same time I came here, I thought I saw something strange.
About that, yeah.
Kind of weird. So that's the last time you guys seen her?
Yeah.
Mhm.
And you haven't heard from her since?
No.
Mm-mm.
Can you go like check around back?
Yeah, just to make
Just
sure.
be cautious though.
Yeah, that's
Alright.
that's where he was.
You guys saw him around back last night? That's the last first you saw
Yeah,
him?
in the basement.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go check it out.
Be cautious.
Find out what's going on, 'cause this ain't right.
press 3 or simply stay on the line. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Yo, cuz, I don't know what's going on. When I heard in the background, I said there's something like ghost-like figure coming out around the back, and I'm going around back to check it out, but we ain't here, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I need to get let inside, find out what's going on before I call the police. Alright, hit me up. Oh? What is this?
Yo, you think Nathaniel did all that stuff?
I don't know, but it's kind of weird how he just shows up.
Yeah. And but how?
Yeah, but he said that he's seen that stuff last night.
Yeah, we couldn't reach Uncle Lou. How did he reach him?
Why did he come up here? And he didn't come over.
Because Uncle Lou called Nathaniel. That's why he came over. And Nathaniel says he went by and seen some stuff.
Yeah, but Uncle Lou's not here.
I know.
So you think that's suspicious?
Yes.
Kind of suspicious.
Anything happened.
What is that? Yo, you just hear that? Yo, Jaheim.
What?
Come on.
Yeah, we gotta go. Come on, we gotta go look. I don't know what that was.
Oh, ladies first.
Oh shoot! Look.
What happened?
What is this?
I don't know. Look, the gun's placed on his chest.
Was he here?
I don't know. We might have to search.
Come on. We gotta find out, but first we need weapons.
Seems pretty dead to me.
I'll take this.
Did he pee his pants?
Yo, you,
I'll find something.
You think it was the same person who took him?
it has to be. Huh?
This will pack a punch.
Whatever we do, we gotta stay together. He might be able to take one, but not three.
I think this might get him.
One
One
shot.
shot. One shot.
This will pack a punch though.
You guys might not even have to use yours.
That thing's like from like for wait. Tomahawking.
You ready?
Brace yourself. Oh, look at this. You don't know what was going down.
I want to know who this guy is.
Yeah. I want to hurt real bad. We need to find out. Boy, we need to split up.
We need to split up.
Yeah, we need to
Rock,
cover way
paper,
more.
scissors?
Look, you go down in the basement. I'll stay up here. You check upstairs.
Alright, seems like a plan to me.
Be safe.
That's weird. It's locked. What was that? It's not a bullet! Ah!
Good evening. I see you somewhere, but not for long. See you soon. What is that supposed to mean? What's going on?
I mean, you still don't get it?
What you mean?
All of this is because of you. It's very simple. It's very simple. Because you want to be Mr. Next Rip City. You want to take the fame that I've wanted all my life. Now, have to pay for it. You could have just been born. But it seems that it happened. So now you get to watch your poor cousins die in front of your eyes before I do that. Get up! I know you're not dead yet. That was a flesh wound. Get up! Turn around. Sit down. You're doing this to yourself! More! Finish it! Just no!
Shut up.
Ha ha ha!